How to fix high CPU usage on Windows 10? Many Windows 10 users have noticed that after specific system updates, their computers start to function slower. This may cause significant issues when trying to use your device. Apps become sluggish, things start to load slowly, etc. Luckily, I have the solution to this problem. Even if your Windows 10 system has a high CPU usage, I'm here to solve your problem. All you have to do is follow the video step to fix this issue. Now, first thing you can see here in the image that your CPU is using 98%. Now, let's fix it with method 1. Disable the Superfetch feature. In the old version of Windows 10, you will get the Superfetch folder, but in the latest version you will get a different service file name. Now simply go on the Windows icon and search here for services and hit enter. Once you open the services, just select any service and press S key to get the S series or list. Now find here the sysmain application and just right click on it, properties, and disable it. From here and stop, hit apply and OK. Your half problem will be fixed over here. Now we have the second option. If you are using a laptop, some computers have a hard time to handling a limitless power plan. In this case, you can optimize your computer to run on a balanced mode, which is return may decrease your CPU usage. For this, search for control panel and open the control panel. Now view by icon should be on small, it's on you. Anyways, now find here the power option and open it. Now here you need to select the balance option and that's it. Method 4. Let's move on the method 4. Disable startup applications. It's possibly that a third-party application installed on your computer is causing issue with your CPU usage. In this case, I'm recommending turn off all non-Microsoft startup processes, then testing them one by one to see which one is driving your CPU usage so high. So for this, there's two options. One is right click on the taskbar, then open the task manager and go into the startup. Now click on the status, arrow should be down and disable all the services over here. Also click on the Windows icon and type here the msconfig, hit enter and go into the services. Hide all Microsoft services and now turn off all the services and check out one by one which service may be caused. Number 5. Optimize your hard drive by using defragment. If none of the methods above seem to work, you can still try optimize your hard drive with the fragment tool. Now for this, just click on the Windows icon or just press Windows plus R key together and you will get here the run prompt. Now type here DFRGUI, hit enter. Once you here, select your C drive and optimize it. The last thing, you can just update your Windows. That will also help to solve your PC problems. Just click on the Windows icon, go into the settings and then update and security. Now simply you need to search over here and then install any available update. That's it for today's. See you in the next video. If you have any question, just comment below. I'll reply you as soon as possible. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.